Here we will write a Python program to find numbers in a given range divisible by the given number. So in comment line, first we will write. First we will accept starting and ending number for a given range. So snum equal to int, input, enter starting number. Then in enum we will accept ending number. So enum equal to int, input, enter ending number, and we will accept a number which we are going to divide for the given range. Then we will accept a number. So num equal to int, input, enter number to divide. Then while snum less than or equal to enum, and we will check if snum mod num equal to 0, we will print snum and we will increase snum by 1, and then we will execute this. I will give starting number as 10, ending number as 100, and number to divide as 5. It will print numbers divisible by 5 within the range 10 to 100s are 10, 15, 20 up to 100. We will write here message with formatting output numbers within snum to enum divisible by num or, and again we will execute this. I will give starting number 10, ending number 100, and I will give number to divide as 25. It will print numbers within 10 to 100 divisible by 25 are 25, 50, 75 and 100.